so many different subcultures of cycling in London. It's absolutely fascinating. I mean, going back 15 years ago, the only sort of people that cycle in London were the couriers and the real enthusiasts for cycling. But gradually, over the last 15 years, the cultures have become more refined. For example, out of London, mountain bikes have become really popular. And that was another culture, people who ride bikes off-road. And it was found that mountain bikes were really good in the city because they were really good at hopping over pavements and going through potholes and things like that. Another big movement is the folding bike movement, where a bicycle on its own is not very good for going a long distance, say commuting all the way out from the suburbs into town, which is often 20 miles, which, you know, is a bit too far for a bike. Combine a bicycle with, say, a train or a bus, and the two together make a perfect combination, because buses are no good because they don't take you to your house. Same with trains, you've got to get to the station. And so for that last mile or 2 kilometers, a folding bike plus public transport makes the perfect balance. My approach was to say, okay, rather than try and fold as small as possible, why not make something a bit more like an umbrella or a walking stick, something long and thin, which is more human scale. So when you're on a tightly packed train, you can stand with it. And the other advantage of having the wheels at one end is that it means that you don't actually carry it when it's folded. You wheel it on its wheels. And how it converts into a bicycle is basically various parts come together. For example, the handlebars, the pedals fold out, and you can still use it in that position, so you can still walk along with it. And then to transform it from this basic walking stick shape into a bicycle is a question of just pulling the 3 tubes together into a triangle. So you end up with 3 tubes which were originally together forming this triangle.